3D printing is revolutionizing industries, offering a unique career path for those interested in merging creativity with technology. Aspiring entrepreneurs can leverage platforms like Shapeways and Thingiverse to showcase and sell their creations. By focusing on niche markets such as customized jewelry or prototyping for startups, creators can set themselves apart. Understanding essential software like Tinkercad and Fusion 360 enhances creativity and productivity in design. As 3D printing technology continues to grow, the potential for crafting a rewarding and profitable career only expands, combining passion and innovation in a sustainable way.